Here's a group of friends. They're waiting for the bus to go and see a film together. There's Marilyn, who's feeling on top of the world because she's just passed her driving test. Then there's Paul, who's in a good mood because he loves going to the cinema. Actually, Paul is nearly always in a good mood because he has a positive view of life. He hears people singing and laughing everywhere he goes. He's the one who cheers his friends up when they're down. At the moment, he's trying to cheer Susie up. She's just heard some bad news about her maths test. Oh dear, poor Susie. She's failed. Paul saw her face fall when she read the text message. But look, here are Andrew and Kate. Andrew is crazy about Kate, but sadly, she's not keen on him. She's keen on Paul. They can hear the bus coming. The friends enjoy spending time together, and they're all enthusiastic about the great horror film they're about to see. Here's the bus. Enjoy the film, everyone. Are you crazy about horror films? What are you keen on or enthusiastic about? What makes you feel on top of the world? What cheers you up or puts you in a good mood? Being with friends cheers you up or puts you in a good mood, and doing well in tests helps you feel on top of the world.